Bring him over here, Kayla. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm the cutest girl in the world.
No, I dancing.
Well, who is?
Me.
Yes, you are.
I dancing.
You're the cutest girl. You're a dancer. Show me. Show me how you dance. Come here, bum. Come here. No, leave the old... That's the toast I threw out for the birds. You gonna eat it? Is that good? Mmm. Come here.
Come here.
I smell it.
Dog food? Me.
Hi.
Is it on here?
Maybe check them. You see about me your boots, kid? No, yours are good. Yours are fine.
They're right there. I need a wipe.
Did you get poop? Yeah.